Hi everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am so very excited to review a smart AI recorder, voice recorder device. And you can voice record, you have different modes, so you can record everything that's going on around you. I truly love the AI abilities of this one, which these are absolutely crazy. This is like your personal AI secretary with this voice recorded. So it is elevating your recording experience with a convenient operation and a dynamic noise reduction feature. So this device has 100% of offline real-time transcribe abilities. So 100% of offline transcription ability is absolutely necessary if you are messing up, if you're working with voice recording type of files. It is ensuring that your data remains secure and accessible without any internet connection or dependency. So you don't need to be dependent on Wi-Fi or on internet connection. You'll get it regardless. So the AI also has a real-time transcribe. So everything you're saying, you'll get the transcription of this one in a real time with or without the internet connection. Then you also have the one-click marking ability with the AI technology, as well as you have a smart summarize. So the AI gonna summarize for you whatever you recorded through the voice recorder. This device works with a professional 2+4 microphones. So of course that it has a microphone down here, but the main microphones are located right here. So it has two microphones right here located at the very top at the head of the device, and then it has more microphones located on the sides of this device, as you can see right now, guys. The AI is going to automatically reduce all the noise, so it's AI noise reduction ability as well built into this device with the AI technology it works on, as well as it has an AI voice word filter and an AI non-human word filter as well, so it will understand if there is a human talking right now or it's non-human sounds, noises, and so very on. I absolutely love the touch screen. It's like a little small like cell phone that you can fully operate and navigate through. It's very user-friendly design. It's ergonomically very well designed. It's definitely a portable one. It's a lightweight. You can easily fit this one in any type of a purse, any type of a pocket, like it will easily fit my bra, you know? So whatever you want to hide this one or whatever you want to take this one with you, it's absolutely possible. Well guys, let's get started with the review. So excited guys, let's get started with the iFLYTEK smart recorder review. The coolest thing about this one is that it's AI voice recorder, and the second cool thing about this one in my opinion is that it supports the offline voice transcription in the very real time. So it is effortlessly going to adapt itself to different various scenarios. For any type of a scenario it has a different mode, and I'll be very happy guys to tell you all about the modes as well. Well, let's get started. So for the offline transcription, your recording notes can be transcribed to a text, and it's possible to exchange it to a file without the internet connection, securely, safe, and there is also no any type of a hidden cost for this device. There is no any type of a subscription that you need to pay every month to use this one. Nothing. There is no like cloud or anything like that. Simply, easily buy this once and you're done forever. Now it has the ability of a long distance recording, so it's equipped with 2 directional microphones and 4 omnidirectional microphones as well, so 6 in total. It can record anything with a crystal clear sound for up to 10 meters around himself, even if it's 10 meters off you, and still provide an amazing high quality clear sound even if the object is the very much 10 meters from you. So it's powered by the iFLYTEK advanced AI technology, so it is supporting the fast and accurate transcription in 5 different languages. The languages are English, Chinese, Japanese, Korean, and Russian. Now I fluently speak Russian and English, so I can absolutely assure you that yes, it's definitely work for English and Russian in an amazing way. The screen of this device is a touch screen, so you can fully control it by touch through the screen or by the buttons on the lower part of the device. So iFLYTEK smart voice recorder combines a transcription function with a 2-inch display touch screen, which is offering an immersive listening and viewing experience. So it's so very easy to navigate and to understand this device. Going through the setting, going through the screen, it's very user-friendly. It's very intuitive to understand what you need to push, where you need to go to make things work. It's actually like a little smartphone that is there all around with you. So it is functioning a little bit like a smartphone, and I love it. Now guys, let's talk about the modes. It's absolutely amazing that you are having an easy record ability with 4 different modes for any type of situation that you are in. You have the intelligent mode, the conference mode, mode, the interview mode, and the speech mode. You are welcome to choose any one of these modes, depends on your situation and your surroundings. The ability to choose from these modes is allowing a customized microphone and noise reduction solutions depends on the situation you need to record for based on a recording scenario. It supports a one press of button record, so you have this button with an obvious recording sign, which is internationally recognizable. So you just push this button once and you start recording. This is very important for that type of situations when you must start recording ASAP and you don't want to mess with finding the right button, with starting the right program. With this device, you'll always be able just to by a simple one push of a button start recording, because sometimes, guys, it's very critical. We all know that some situations you must start recording ASAP, otherwise you are losing information, you are losing the event. Then you have an ultra clear audio as a result, so you can record with this device any possible type of a thing. There is no limit to your imagination, whatever works for you, anything from Zoom meetings, from lectures, interviews, different fights, if you are having fights with someone and you want to record them. But you know, when I used to work as a financial analyst in a big high-tech company, what I used to do, I used to record all of the instructions and all of the needs of my boss, and then I'll go of whatever my boss is giving me, and then I'll go back to my place and I'll listen to that like many times just to be sure that I never missed anything. This is how I used a recorder once. Also, when I used to be a student, definitely I was voice recording all of the lectures, and it was so very helpful during the exams session season. This device will definitely help you to keep all of your data private and secure by reducing the risks of any unauthorized access to your cloud. iFLYTEK integrating the very much exclusive speech recognition technology into this offline recording pen. It also comes with a 32 gigabyte of a storage room inside already. It's definitely extra portable and very compact. It's a lightweight. It's easy to take this one with you anywhere you're going. It is charged by Type-C, so you'll always have an access to a charger. It has a long battery life, so you will get up to 7 hours of continuous recording ability and store up to 175 hours of recordings. All that with a remarkable battery and memory. With the 7 hours of battery life, you are getting a 5 hours of a non-stop recording ability. Well, guys, what you will get in the package, it's one device recorder, one user manual, and one cable of Type-C to charge your device. I will definitely highly recommend you this one. It is still very useful. It's user-friendly. It's easy to use. It has a very intuitive type of an interface. I am absolutely in love with this device. Okay, you guys, so this is how you basically navigate through everything, and that's the turn on, turn off button. You can absolutely turn down or up the volume. So to start any type of recording, you don't even need to turn on the screen. You're just simply pushing this button and you're done. The recording is on. It start recording whatever is going on around you, because sometimes it can save life if you will, start recording at the correct time. Now, if you want to mark something here, you just add a mark or remove a mark, whatever. You can add a few marks. Let's say that's a very important something I just said. So you can add a few marks. You have here languages, so you can always switch it to any other language like Chinese, Mandarin, and so very on. The AI also automatically can detect the language you're speaking, as well as you can also stop the recording through the touch screen as well. And now if you will go to My Files, you'll see all of the recordings of yours. And if you'll go to one of the recordings, you can control the speed. You just add a mark or remove a mark, whatever. You can add a few marks. Let's say that's a very important something I just say, language you're speaking. You can go 15 seconds forward or 50 seconds back, whatever. You can turn on or off these AI functions right here that I just told you about them, guys. And as well as you can see the transcription. You can tell it to retranscribe it. You can adjust the font size. You can tag list and so very on. So you have a lot of different options and different abilities directly through this smart recorder. And then you have the settings, so you can fully control and customize your device through the settings like screen off, like auto power off, light indicator, on or off. Let's say you don't want people to know that you're recording, so you want the light off. Lock screen password, you can turn it off as well. And the language and stuff like that. You can see and control the storage right here. So as I said, you have 32 gigabytes of storage, but the system takes around 8-9, so you'll actually have less. You have different types of settings right here, and you can fully customize and control your settings through this device. To export your files to your computer computer or to your phone, you have these instructions right here. So you just check the QR code or visit the link, and then by the link, it will tell you that you need to connect this device to your computer via the Type-C and transfer the data from this device to your computer. Guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this review of mine of this iFLYTEK Smart AI voice recorder device. I will absolutely highly recommend you guys to check this one out. It's totally stole my heart and it's definitely works so very well. So if you need a voice recorder, a smart one, this AI smart recorder by iFLYTEK, it's a must-have for you. Well guys, be so very sure to check iFLYTEK out. I'll leave you all of the links down below in the description box to this video of mine, as well as any other top information like coupon code, sales, promotions, and so very on. Every possible way to save some money of yours is gonna be listed down below in the description box to this video of mine. It's available on the iFLYTEK official website or on Amazon as well. So if you are a fan of shopping from Amazon, definitely you're very welcome to check this one out on Amazon. Well guys, that was actually all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video of mine. Please let me know your opinion down below in the comments, and I'll see you all in my next videos. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.